welcome to Gadget Week. Like, share, and subscribe our channel. Recently, we got 350 views and 50 subscription, and we got an certificate from TubeBuddy to encourage us. Thank you, TubeBuddy. And today we are going to unbox Hayabusa. Hayabusa is a bike which it has been produced by Suzuki company, and it is quite famous in India because it has been used in a Dhoom movie by John Abraham. And Maisto has done a good work again in this bike. They have the package is little poor, but still the package, I think the bike has come well. Let's unbox and see this video till the end, and like, share, and subscribe this video. The bike is here. The package is very good. Oh no, it is very tight to open it from the package. I think the wheel is getting broke. Let's see. Oh shit, it has broke. We have wait, we'll take. Oh, it has got broke completely. I'm trying to fix it. Oh, thank God it has got fixed. I think still it is okay. Yeah, it is working good. Yeah, it's nice looking, good looking. As all our other bikes which we have reviewed recently, this bike also having a moving stand, as well as the details something like print like a Suzuki, and this speedometer. It has some readings in it, and other details of the bikes are very clear than the other bikes which we have unboxed till. And okay, kind of a headlamp, but still it is replicating the actual. And disc brake details, everything is good, and this chain is nice, and it has a dual silencer. And thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel to watch more videos.